Hey guys, back in Kona. I landed yesterday. It was white caps as far as I could see, but not the right direction. I was dying to go in, but I was too tired. Went to sleep, had to rest. But today I'm out again. I want to tell you guys that this is supposed to be moderate activity because what I did do in Asia, I replaced the lens on my right eye and my left eye in 2 days of surgery, exactly 1 week from yesterday. I promised my doctor I will only do moderate activity, low to moderate activity, and this is the closest I can find to it. So today, you know, we're going upwind. There's no white caps, but I'll tell you about the surgery later. It's something that, as you can see in these conditions, it's very bad when you're born with one eye long-sighted and one eye really short-sighted. I didn't find out until I did my first eye test at 45 when I stopped being able to see all these landmarks, see my watch, the GoPro camera and everything like that. And after suffering for 13 years, I kind of got tired of it. I said, you know what, I'm losing so many prescription sunglasses in the water, I better just get it done. And that's one of the reasons why I went out to Asia, because it's a lot better to do it out there. So here we go. Going upwind for about 40 minutes, but we should be back real fast. Maybe 10 minutes faster. So this is how the upwind look like. As usual. Line is that way. Can't help it sometimes.